Ladies and gentlemen, the Supreme Master Ching Hai. पंचकन्याहरूद्वारा स्वागत। फूल अर्पित गर्न चाहने, चढाउन चाहने अरू व्यक्तिहरू कृपया स्टेजमा गए फूल चढाउन। परम गुरु चिङ हाई को प्रवचन सुन्न हामी अघिदेखि उत्सुक थियौं। अब त्यो उत्सुकताको घडी सक्यो। अब छिटै हामी प्रवचन सुन्न सक्छौं। The Supreme Master Ching Hai is now going to give us a lecture on our spiritual thoughts. Thank you.
Good evening, brothers, sister, mother, father. How are you? Are you comfortable?
तपाईहरुलाई सुविधा छ, सजिलोसँग बस्नु भएको छ?
Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your blessing and love. First of all.
तपाईहरुको उपस्थितिको निम्ति धन्यवाद छ।
I feel so much love in this country. The moment I came, the moment the airplane landed.
एरोप्लेन यहाँ बस्न बित्तिकै यहाँको प्रेमको मैले अनुभव गरेँ।
I feel the purity of the people, this land.
यहाँका जनताको शुद्धता मैले अनुभव गरेँ।
God bless us so much here. Buddha bless us so much here. I'm very happy.
ईश्वरले हामीलाई आशीर्वचन दिनुभएको छ, आशीर्वाद दिनुभएको छ। बुद्धले हामीलाई आशीर्वाद दिनुभएको छ।
It is my honor to be the first time.
मेरो पहिलो यहाँ पदार्पण हो, आगमन हो।
Visiting this beautiful, beautiful country.
यो सुन्दर सुन्दर देशमा म भ्रमण गरिरहेको छु।
I was surprised that it's so hot.
यहाँ यस्तो गर्मी रहेछ, म छक्क पर्छु।
Because I went to the Himalaya in India and I thought it's similar climate, but it is so warm here.
भारतको म हिमालयमा गएकी थिएँ र मैले ठानेकी थिएँ यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै किसिमको चाहिँ हावापानी होला भनेर, तर यहाँ यस्तो गर्मी रहेछ।
It's warm like the heart of the people of Nepal.
यहाँ जनता, यहाँ नेपालका जनताको हृदय जत्तिकै न्यानो।
Actually, we are already the love, we are already the warmth, we are already the wisdom. It's just we forget.
हामीले बिर्सेको मात्रै हो, हामी पहिले नै प्रेम हौँ, न्यानोपना हौँ।
Some of us forget.
हामी मध्ये केहीले बिर्सन्छौँ।
The people who remember their own self, God nature, Buddha nature, we call them enlightened beings.
ती जनताले जसलाई सम्झन्छन् बुद्धको प्रकृतिलाई, स्वभावलाई, तिनीहरू इन्लाइटन हुन्छन्, तिनीहरू अन्तर्ज्योति प्राप्त गरेका हुन्छन्।
Thank you. And the one who do not remember their own original nature, we call them not yet enlightened Buddhas.
ती व्यक्तिहरू जसले आफ्नो पहिलेको स्वभावलाई सम्झँदैनन्, तिनीहरू बुद्ध भइसकेका हुँदैनन्।
But both are Buddhas.
तर दुवै बुद्ध हुन्।
According to religious scriptures, we are love, we are God, we are part of God, we are one with God, we are the Buddha.
हामी आफै बुद्ध हौँ, हामी ईश्वरका अंश हौँ।
For lack of this knowledge, we will feel our life is not fulfilled, is not happy, is not contented.
यो ज्ञान नभएको हुनाले हाम्रो जीवन चाहिँ पूर्ण छैन, सन्तुष्ट छैन।
All the misery, all the conflict, all the unhappiness in this planet comes not from war, not from poverty, not from the conditions that we live in. It comes from the lack of wisdom, come from the lack of knowing that we are more than just a human body.
हाम्रो ज्ञानको कमीले हामी मान्छेको शरीरभन्दा पनि बढी के हौँ भन्ने थाहा नपाएर नै यो सबै दुःख भएको हो, यो कष्ट भएको हो, यो कुनै लडाई इत्यादि अथवा अरू कुराले सङ्घर्षले भएको होइन, ज्ञानको कमी नै हो।
We can see that very well.
यसलाई हामी राम्रोसँग बुझ्छौँ।
So many kings, many leaders, so many rich, famous people, they are not happy and they keep wanting more and more power, more money, more possession, more of everything, and they still are not happy.
धेरै राजाहरू र ठुल्ठुला शासकहरू प्रशस्त धन भएर पनि उनीहरू सुखी छैनन्, उनीहरू बढी शक्ति चाहन्छन्, बढी पैसा चाहन्छन्।
But the Buddha, who was the future king of the country, he forsook everything and he has nothing with him at that time and he was happy.
बुद्ध भविष्यमा राजा हुन गइरहेको व्यक्ति पनि केही थिएन, तर उहाँ सुखी हुनुहुन्थ्यो, सन्तुष्ट हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
It is because the Buddha remembered who he truly is, who he truly was, and the other people did not remember.
बुद्धलाई थाहा थियो उहाँ को हुनुहुन्छ भनेर, तर अरू मान्छेहरूलाई यो ज्ञान हुँदैन।
The Buddha also said that I have already remember I'm a Buddha and you will be the future Buddhas. How is it possible that we don't know this? We are already in the future generation. We still have not remember that we are the Buddhas. How come?
बुद्धले भन्नुभएको थियो म त बुद्ध हुँ, तर तिमीहरूलाई थाहा छैन, भोलि गएर तिमीहरू बुद्ध हुन्छौ भनेर भन्नुभएको थियो। आज हामी यो भविष्यमा आइसकेर पनि किन हामी बुद्ध भएका छैनौँ त?
In the Zen Buddhist tradition, we also said that the difference between enlightenment and ignorance are just one hair breadth, that's it. So little difference.
बुद्धत्व र बुद्धको ज्ञान र अज्ञानको बीचमा एउटा केशको जति मात्र फरक छ।
How can we traverse this difference, even though it is so subtle? How can we?
यति छोटो दूरी भएर पनि हामी यसलाई पार कसरी गर्न सक्दैनौँ?
And can we?
के हामी गर्न सक्छौँ त?
The answer is yes.
उत्तर हो हामी सक्छौँ।
Because the light that is within us has never died out. The light that the Buddha has imparted to his circles of disciples, the light that Krishna has, the light that Shiva has never died, has been continuously transmitted from one being to another, from one country to the next, and is always, always flaming.
तर त्यो ज्योति जुन बुद्धले आफ्ना शिष्यहरूलाई सिकाउनु भयो र कृष्णले शिवले सिकाउनु भयो त्यो ज्योति कहिल्यै मरेको छैन, त्यो पुस्ता पुस्तामा चल्दै आएको छ र त्यो ज्योति कहिल्यै मर्ने छैन.
And if we have found that, we can put together with our unlit candle, it will be done right away.
यदि हामीले त्यस ज्योतिलाई समात्न सक्यौँ भने एउटा सानो मैनबत्ती बालेर हामी त्यसलाई प्रज्वलित गर्न सक्छौँ.
The difference between enlightened and not enlightened is really no difference at all. The only difference is the attention.
हामीले त्यसमा ध्यान नदिएर मात्रै हो, भिन्नता अज्ञान र ज्ञान बीचको भिन्नता, बौद्धिकताको भिन्नता त्यति छैन.
Pay attention to this body, pay attention to this physical surrounding, pay attention to everything that is in this material world, then we are the material being. We are in the material world. Pay attention to the inward nature of ourselves. Pay attention to the Buddha nature, which is always within us, inborn, never die. Then we become Buddha. This is the only difference, and it's very simple to traverse this difference.
त्यो भिन्नता जुन छ ज्यादै नै सानो छ र त्यो भिन्नतालाई हामी सजिलै पार गर्न सक्छौँ. तर हामीले भौतिक रूपले आफ्नो शरीरलाई र वरिपरिको वातावरणलाई हेऱ्यौँ भने हामी भौतिक नै जीवन बाँच्दछौँ. तर बुद्धत्व भित्र बुद्धको जीवनलाई हेऱ्यौँ भनेर हामीले बुद्धले सिकाएको मार्गमा हिँड्यौँ भने, भित्रको ज्ञानपट्टि गयौँ भने हामी आध्यात्मिक जीव हुन्छौँ र हामी यो खाडललाई सजिलै पार गर्न सक्छौँ.
I am going to show you later how simple it is to remember your Buddha nature.
हाम्रो बुद्ध स्वभावलाई सम्झनको निम्ति हामीले जो बिर्सेका छौँ त्यसलाई सम्झनको निम्ति सजिलो उपाय छ. म चाँडै नै तपाईहरुलाई देखाउँदैछु.
When we turn inward, when we turn our attention inward to our original self, we will see the light. We will see Buddha's land. We will see heaven. We will see whatever that is that make us elevated, happy and wise.
हामीले भित्र हेर्नुपर्छ र आन्तरिक दृष्टिकोणले हामीले भित्रतिर हेर्न थाल्यौँ भने बुद्धको संसारलाई, स्वर्गलाई हामी चिन्न सक्छौँ र त्यो ज्योतिलाई पनि हामी प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौँ.
When we turn inward to hear our own nature, we will hear that teaching directly from the Buddhas, from heaven, from the past, the future, the present masters, which is non-verbal, which is direct, which is uncontaminated, which is forever lasting. This teaching will make us remember that we are a Buddha, that we are from God.
गुरुले सिकाउनु हुनेछ यो भित्रको जुन ज्योति छ त्यो के हो र हामी को हौं र हाम्रो पुरानो घर कुन हो, हाम्रो प्राचीन गौरव कुन हो त्यो भन्ने कुरा र हामी कहाँबाट आएका हौं भन्ने कुरा त्यो हामीले भित्रको ज्योतिबाट प्राप्त गर्नेछौं, बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गर्नेछौं.
And this can happen immediately.
यो तुरुन्तै हुन्छ.
It is because we already have it inside us, so there's no need time to realize that we're Buddha. We just have to turn our attention inward, just like we turn the hand upside down or downside up.
जसरी हामी हातलाई यसो पल्टाउन सक्छौं त्यसरी नै खाली हामीले भित्रपट्टि ध्यान दियौं भने पुगिहाल्छ. हामी आफै बुद्ध हौं र बुद्धत्व के हो भन्ने कुरा बुझिहाल्छौं.
Only actual divine experience, only actual enlightenment, actual realization of our own true self will make us a contented person, a happier being, a wiser human.
एउटा सन्तुष्ट र बुद्धिमान र असल मान्छे हुनको निम्ति र सुखी मान्छे हुनको निम्ति खालि हामीले फर्केर हेर्नुपर्छ, भित्र हेर्नुपर्छ।
That's why after Buddha has attained enlightenment, he still continue wander in his usual lifestyle as a monk. He has no need to go back to the kingdom, became a king, or became the ruler of any kind, even though he has this opportunity to do so.
अवसर भए पनि, राजा हुने अवसर भए पनि, राजा नभएर साधारण सन्यासी भएर बुद्धले आफ्नो जीवन व्यतीत गर्नुभयो, किनभने उहाँ भित्रको ज्योतिलाई हेर्नुहुन्थ्यो।
Of course, the Lord Buddha could also become a king again, and he is still enlightened. Even if he's a king or not a king, that makes no difference. After enlightenment, whatever you do, you are enlightened.
तपाईले बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरिसकेपछि तपाईँ राजा हुनु नहुनुमा केही फरक पर्दैन। त्यसैले बुद्ध अझै पनि राजा हुन सक्नुहुन्थ्यो, त्यसमा केही फरक पर्दैन। बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरेपछि जे पनि हुन सक्छ।
Says Sri Rama, he was so enlightened.
रामा त्यस्तो बुद्धि भएका, अन्तर्बुद्धि भएका व्यक्तित्व हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
That's why it doesn't matter to him whether he inherit the kingdom, became a king, or being exiled 1,000 miles from home, he is happy.
उहाँ सुखी हुनुहुन्थ्यो, चाहे उहाँ राजा बनिनुहोस्, चाहे उहाँलाई चाहिँ वनवास पठाइयोस्, उहाँ सधैँ नै सुखी हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
And even then, afterward, people demanded he became a king again, then he say, also fine.
जनताले फेरि उहाँलाई चाहिँ राजा बन्ने चाहिँ अनुरोध गरे, त्यसैले उहाँ राजा हुनुभयो।
That is an enlightened person. There is no attachment to any kind, either to poverty, to renunciation, or to the kingdom.
चाहे राज्य होस्, चाहे त्याग होस्, कुनै किसिमको चाहिँ त्यहाँ माया, कुनै किसिमको चाहिँ त्यसप्रतिको चाहिँ आसक्ति उहाँमा छैन, किनभने उहाँ चाहिँ एउटा अन्तर्ज्ञान भएको व्यक्तित्व हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
The enlightened being would do whatever the situation required, whatever is beneficial to sentient beings.
चेतनशील मानिसहरूलाई जे किसिमको आवश्यकता हुन्छ त्यसको लागि नै एउटा बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरेको जीवले काम गर्छ।
Because within themselves they are happiness, they are peace, they are love, they have no need of any material or non-material assistance in order to be contented.
सन्तुष्ट हुनुको निम्ति अन्तर्ज्ञान प्राप्त जीवलाई कुनै किसिमको चाहिँ आवश्यकता पर्दैन, भौतिक सुख सुविधाको केही आवश्यकता पर्दैन।
To an enlightened being, everything they do is just for the benefit of others. They do it or not do it. They take some things or they don't take something, even they eat the food or they drink the milk, everything is for the sake of other beings.
बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरेको मान्छे परोपकारी हुन्छ र अर्काकै लागि मात्रै उसले काम गर्छ र खानेकुरा नखानेकुरा आफ्नो जीवको लागि नहेरेर अर्काकै लागि मात्रै हेर्छ।
So in order to be contented, to be peaceful and happy and loving, truly happy inside, all of us should remember who we truly are, just like the Lord Buddha or like other great master. So many I cannot mention all.
भगवान बुद्ध अथवा अरू ठुला ठुला परम गुरुहरूले जुन किसिमको हुनुहुन्थ्यो उहाँ जस्तै हुनको निम्ति हामीले चाहिँ बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गर्नुपर्छ।
One of the great masters of India, Kabir, I think you know him? Yes?
Kabir.
Yes, okay. You know what he did, huh? What did he do for a living? Weaving. All right, okay. And was he a very rich person? No. Okay.
के कबीर धनी व्यक्ति हुनुहुन्थ्यो?
Yes. And Mirabai gave him a diamond.
मीराबाईले उहाँलाई चाहिँ एउटा हिरा दिनुभयो।
Yes, a gem, yes, something. And it worth a fortune, but he never bothered.
यो
Was
बहुमूल्य
it
थियो
this
तर
to
उनलाई
Kabir,
वास्ता
yeah?
गरेन।
No, it's not Kabir. It's somebody else.
यी कबीर हुन् कि अरू कुनै हुन्?
Did Mirabai give to Kabir? Give to someone else, or other, anyhow, whatever. That master, he was poor. And then Mirabai, the princess, gave him a present, very expensive. And she stuck it somewhere in the roof. And when she came back many years later, he's still poor, doing whatever he does to earn a living. And she said, what happened? Why didn't you sell the diamond and take care of yourself and you don't have to work so hard? Where is the diamond I gave you? He said, wherever you hid it, it's still there.
जहाँ त्यो उनले चाहिँ लुकाएर त्यहाँ जहाँ राखेका थिए त्यही नै रहेछ। पछि धेरै वर्षपछि आउँदा पनि उनलाई गरिब देखेर सोधिन् उनले के गर्यौ तिमीले भन्दाखेरि त त्यो त्यही नै राखिराखेको रहेछ, उनले प्रयोगै गरेन।
Yes. To an enlightened being, to be poor is nothing to him. He could also become rich if he wants to, but he doesn't have to stay in poverty. Yet for him, rich or poor is equal.
अन्तर्ज्ञान प्राप्त गरेको मान्छेलाई, बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरेको मान्छेलाई धनी हुनु र गरिब हुनुमा केही फरक छैन, के उसमा कुनै किसिमको भिन्नता हुँदैन।
And Kabir was also so poor that one day he even wanted to trade his wife for some flour to make chapatis.
कबीर वा यति गरिब थिए कि उनले एकचोटि आफ्नै पत्नीलाई साटेर चपाती पाउन पनि कोसिस गरे।
Yes. To some of us, wife and husband are number one possession. We cannot give it to anybody else. But to Kabir, it's okay also.
हामी धेरै जसो मान्छेहरूको निम्ति पत्नी र पति सबभन्दा ठुलो सम्पत्ति हुन्, हामी दिन सक्दैनौँ, तर कबीरको निम्ति के भयो र केही फरकै पर्दैन।
It is not because he don't love his wife, but because he's so enlightened. So enlightened.
उनले आफ्नै पत्नीलाई माया नगरेको भन्ने होइन, पत्नीलाई माया गर्थे, तर उनी बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरेका, अन्तर्ज्ञान प्राप्त गरेका व्यक्ति थिए।
These masters, these great beings, they have no more attachment to whatever they have or not have.
कुनै आसक्ति, कुनै लोभ, कुनै मोह यी व्यक्तिहरूमा, यी अन्तर्ज्ञान भएका व्यक्तिहरूमा हुँदैन।
Because they already know everything in this world is not true nature, and they already know the kingdom of God. So if we want to feel such a contentment, such a peacefulness, we also should search inside and find our true greatness.
हाम्रो साँच्चैको महानता भित्र छ र भित्रै खोज्नुपर्छ र यी बाहिरका कुराहरू केही होइनन्, त्यागे पनि हुन्छ।
For the people of Nepal, I think no problem. No problem.
नेपालका जनतालाई कुनै किसिमको समस्या छैन।
If you have remembered already, I'm not surprised.
यदि तपाईहरुले सम्झिसक्नु भएको छ बुद्धलाई भने म छक्क पर्दिन।
And if you have chosen not to remember yet, and I am also not surprised.
यदि तपाईहरुले अझै पनि सम्झनु भएको छ, नसम्झन खोज्नु भएको छ भने त्यसमा पनि म छक्क पर्दिन।
Because inside you already know we have Buddha nature. Some of you take your time, take it easy, be Buddha later.
पछि बुद्ध हुँला भनेर पर्खे पनि हुन्छ।
But should you choose to remember tonight together with us, just for the sake of having fun together, I'm willing to serve you.
म तपाईहरुलाई सेवा गर्न तयार छु। यदि तपाई साँच्चै नै आजै सम्झन चाहनुहुन्छ भने, अहिले नै सम्झन चाहनुहुन्छ भने म तपाईहरुलाई सेवा गर्न तयार छु।
There are some for the more serious practitioners who like to practice more and to know himself quickly and more completely. We offer a full-time job. And to others who are still like to play around a little and just work a little, and we give them a part-time job.
हामी के आंशिक काम कतिलाई दिउँला, जो खाली खेल्न मात्र चाहनुहुन्छ अथवा यसो के हो रहेछ भनेर हेर्न मात्र चाहनुहुन्छ भने ठिकै छ, तर गम्भीर किसिमका चिन्तकहरू र ध्यानीहरू हुनुहुन्छ भने उनीहरू पनि ठिकै छ।
Full-time Buddha is mean full-time vegetarian every day. Part-time Buddha, part-time vegetarian.
यदि पुरै समयसम्म चाहिँ बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गर्ने हो भनेदेखि पुरै शाकाहारी हुनुपर्छ र खालि केही अंशको निम्ति केही समयको निम्ति मात्रै हुने हो भनेदेखि के अलिअलि शाकाहारी भए पुग्छ।
In some country, in some Buddhist country, we have some very funny situation. Some people come to me and say, I'm already vegetarian many years. I must be fully initiated. I say, okay, fine. And then later someone else tell me, no, she's not vegetarian. She's only vegetarian in the morning.
कुनै बौद्ध धर्म मान्ने देशहरूमा कोही कोही भन्छन् कि म पहिलेदेखि नै शाकाहारी थिएँ भनेर भन्छन्, तर उनको साथीले भन्छन् होइन होइन बिहान बिहान चाहिँ उनी शाकाहारी हुन् भनेर भन्छन्।
I say, my God, in the morning I don't even eat.
बाफ रे बाफ, म त बिहान त खाँदा पनि खान्न।
So she thinks in the morning she can become Buddha, and at noontime she just have a holiday.
बिहान चाहिँ बुद्ध भएर जब बिहान बितिसक्छ अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ उनी बिदा मनाउन थाल्छन्।
Anyway, we are here to serve you in whichever way would please you, because you are the Buddhas, and it's my very honor to be appointed in this kind of honorable job.
म यहाँ जुन आएको छु यस कार्यको निम्ति नियुक्त भएर तपाईहरू सबै बुद्ध हुनुहुन्छ र म ज्यादै नै आफूलाई गौरवान्वित ठान्छु।
It is very easy to remember ourselves, more easy than breathing, more easy than eating, more easy than talking.
सास फेर्नु खानु भन्दा र बात मार्नु भन्दा पनि सजिलो चाहिँ आफूलाई सम्झनुमा छ।
The only thing that surprises me that why haven't I known that before, and why haven't so many people not known it?
मैले पहिला किन यो थाहा पाइनँ अथवा धेरैजनी मानिसहरूले किन थाहा पाएनन् भन्ने मात्रै म छक्क परिरहेकी छु।
Now I know the difference between enlightenment and forgetfulness. It's just one hair apart, really like that.
मैले अब बुझिसकेँ अब अन्तर्ज्ञान भनेको के हो, बुद्धत्व भनेको के हो र बिर्सिनु भनेको के हो, विस्मृति भनेको के हो, त्यो खाली एउटा केसको मात्रै फरक छ।
So in order to remember ourselves, all we have to do is just forget the outside world and go back to the real world. I will show you how.
म तपाईहरुलाई देखाउने छु कसरी चाहिँ हामीले बाहिरको संसारलाई बिर्सेर भित्र जान सक्छौं। हामीले बाहिरको संसारलाई बिर्सनु पर्छ, म सिकाइदिन्छु।
Yeah. We will show you according to your part-time or full-time desire.
तपाईको आंशिक हो कि यो पूर्ण समयको हो, कुन किसिमको चाहिँ तपाई छान्नुहुन्छ त्यो म देखाउने छु।
Because talking about the cake is not the cake. I'm going to give you the cake to eat. Just like before we distribute some cake, we don't just talk about it.
खाली कुरा गरेर मात्रै खाली कुरामा अल्झाएर म तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ केक दिन्छु भनेर चाहिँ केक हुँदैन। केक त साच्चै नै केक दिनुपर्छ र म तपाईहरुलाई केक दिन्छु।
Because advertisement doesn't fulfill our need, doesn't quench our desire. We need the real thing.
विज्ञापनले मात्रै हाम्रो इच्छालाई पूर्ति गर्दैन, हाम्रो तिर्खालाई मार्दैन, हामीलाई साच्चैको वस्तु चाहिन्छ।
Because enlightenment is the real thing. It's not talking about it, it's not introducing about it, it's not advertisement about it.
यो अन्तर्ज्ञान भन्ने कुरा जो छ, यो बुद्धत्व भन्ने कुरा जो छ, त्यो विज्ञापन मात्रै होइन, यो त साच्चैको कुरा हो र यो भित्री कुरा हो।
Have you seen a lot of advertisement on the road, right? Advertisement for cola, advertisement for apple, advertisement for milk and cake. You look at the advertisement, do they give you satisfaction?
तपाईहरुले बाटामा धेरै धेरै खानेकुराहरुको विज्ञापन देख्नु भएको छ, कोका कोलाको देख्नु भएको छ, स्याउको देख्नु भएको छ। के ती विज्ञापन हेर्दैमा तपाईहरुको इच्छा पूर्ति हुन्छ त? भोक मर्छ त?
Yes or no? No.
मर्दैन।
Yes. They will say Coca-Cola is great. apple, sweet. But we never feel anything looking at it or listening to it because it's not the real thing.
यो साँचो कुरा होइन खालि हेरेर मात्रै अथवा सुनेर मात्रै यो मिठो छ स्याउ मिठो छ कोका कोलाले तिर्खा मार्छ भन्दा हाम्रो मर्छ त मिठो हुन्छ त हेरेर मात्रै सुनेर मात्रै
Yes. So, talking about God, advertisements about God, introducing the light inside, everybody can. Because the Bibles already say so. The Buddhist scripture already mentioned. The Hindu already told us. The Hinduism book already told. The Bhagavad Gita mentioned God is love. Follow me, listen to me, obey me, then you will be everything.
सबै किसिमका चाहिँ धर्मग्रन्थहरूले हिन्दूको धर्मग्रन्थ होस् बाइबल होस् अथवा बुद्धको धर्मग्रन्थहरू होस् सबैले नै हामीलाई सिकाउँछन् के ईश्वर यी हुन् ईश्वरको विषयमा विज्ञापन गर्छन्.
But we don't see any light. We don't feel the God blessing. It's because it's just talk. It's just advertisement. I'm going to give you the real thing.
यी खाली विज्ञापन मात्रै हुन्. यिनीहरूले चाहिँ यो राम्रो छ यस्तो छ उस्तो छ भन्छन् तर साँच्चैको ज्योति पाइन्छ त त्यो साँच्चैको ज्योति प्राप्त गर्नको निम्ति त साँच्चै नै गुरुबाट ज्ञान पाउनुपर्छ त्यो म तपाईहरुलाई दिन्छु.
Actually, it's not that I am going to give you. It's just because of human language. Sometimes we talk so fast we can't express rightly. It's not I'm going to give you anything. I'm just going to show you the things that you have forgotten. Just like you have forgotten something in your pocket, and you look everywhere, and you listen to everybody else talk, and when I know already it's in your pocket because I see it. I say, it's here in your pocket. And how long does it take you to take it out? Just 1 second, right? That's the same with your Buddha nature. It's already there. I'm going to show you where and how to find it, and you will be forever enlightened. You will remember.
म तपाईहरुलाई देखाउने होइन म दिने होइन म तपाईहरुलाई दिने होइन खाली हराएको कुरालाई अथवा बिर्सेको कुरालाई कहाँ छ भन्ने कुरा देखाउने मात्रै हो. यसरी गर्ने भन्ने मात्रै हो तर दिने भन्ने चाहिँ होइन दान गर्ने भन्ने चाहिँ होइन.
So don't feel scared about this Supreme Master which and what this or this title that my people call me. You are the Supreme Master. Just you forget.
परम गुरु भनेर तपाईहरुले डराउनु पर्दैन एकदम त्रसित हुनु पर्दैन तपाईहरु आफै नै परम गुरु हुनुहुन्छ.
I'm coming here to show you that you are the Supreme Being, that you are great. Yes.
परम जीव हुनुहुन्छ जीवात्मा हुनुहुन्छ भनेर देखाउनलाई मात्रै म आएको सम्झाउनलाई मात्रै म आएको हुँ.
That we are all part of the Supreme Being, that we are also the Supreme Being, yes, and part of it, an individual.
हामी खाली परमात्माका अंश मात्रै हौं र परमात्मा हामी आफै हौं र पूर्ण रूपले पनि हौं आंशिक रूपले पनि.
I think it is clear.
अब स्पष्ट भयो.
If you have any more question, any more things not clear, please let me know.
यदि
by writing it.
प्रश्न छ भने सोधेर मलाई सोध्नु.
And give it right away now so we can read it and answer you.
Master Chinghai, Namaste from Nepal.
Namaste.
I have heard the maker finds his her disciple, not the disciple. Find the master. It is happening in my case. Please answer. Thank you and my highest regards. Rajendra Kepan.
Come here. Oh. I have heard the master finds his... Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yes. In both cases, either the master finds you or you find the masters. It's the same. There is no master, there are no disciple to begin with anyway. Yeah, we are all masters.
This is the first one.
We just forgot. Some already remembers. Just tell you, you have your things in your pocket. You forget. You're too busy. Yeah. So somebody pointed to you. That's not a master. It's just a friend. just in our tradition, people are very humble and call the person who show you something a teacher. That is also fine. It's also fine. But originally, we have no teacher and no disciples. So both can find each other in time.
मौलिक रूपले चाहिँ हाम्रो कुनै शिक्षक अथवा शिष्य कोही हुँदैन हामी सबै बराबर हौं. There is a question here. What do you say about vipassana meditation that Buddha taught the path of full liberation and total enlightenment. About Vipassana.
Vipassana is one of the meditation method. The Buddha taught many methods. If you want Vipassana, there's no need to come here. There are many teachers who can teach you. I am specialized in seeing direct Buddha nature. Okay? Everyone specialized in something. The Buddha has said that there are many ways to enlighten you, but the Kuan Yin, the listening to your own Buddha nature is the quickest way, all right? That's the way we present to you. Seeing your own nature directly. No need to rely on anything ephemeral like breath or body or sensation. Nothing. Just go direct, see yourself.
Kuan Yin पद्धति चाहिँ एकदम प्रत्यक्ष छ, सोझै जाने हो। यसले सोझै जानुपर्छ, त्यो यताउति घुम्ने कुरा छैन। विपस्सना सिक्नु छ भने अरू नैसित जानुहोस्, किनभने त्यसमा म यहाँ दीक्षा दिन्न। म खाली कुआन इन को प्रत्यक्ष पद्धतिमा मात्रै दिन्छु। चाँडो आध्यात्मिक चिन्तनको विकास गर्न कसरी सकिन्छ? How can we develop the spiritual thought very quickly? Bhupal Thapa.
Oh, yes. Just go outside and let me know who you are. I come back, see you later. I show you immediately. Now I'm busy. I come back later.
There is another question. What is spirit and what is God and what is heaven?
I can show you that, but not by language. I'm going to sit with you in silence, and then you will know the answer. Because these things is not to be explained, it cannot be explained fully in human language, can be experienced only by your own self, your own wisdom, your own Buddha nature. Yeah?
मानवीय भाषामा यी कुराहरूलाई व्याख्या गर्न सकिँदैन। म बाहिर देखाउन सक्छु, बाहिर जानुस् तपाई।
Respected Master, though I don't have any difficulties and problems, but I have no satisfaction and peace. Why is it so?
Yes, we all do if we don't know ourselves. Yes, that's why we need enlightenment. We need to know our true great self, to be happy, to be contented.
सुखी र सन्तुष्ट हुन हामीले बुद्धत्व जगाउनु पर्छ, भित्र ज्ञान उमार्नु पर्छ।
Namaste, Master Chinghai.
Namaste.
Why do so many people are sad or depressed in life?
Yes, because they don't know their own Buddha nature. We already mentioned that. Yeah.
हामीले पहिले नै भनिसक्यौं, यो बुद्धको स्वभाव जुन छ त्यो थाहा नपाएर त्यस्तो भएको हो।
I want to be enlightened person. What should I do?
What should he do?
उनले के गर्ने?
Get initiation, right?
अहिले गएर प्रारम्भ गर, दीक्षा लिने।
Does one need to suffer for his misdeeds before full enlightenment?
No. Nobody needs to suffer. We only suffer because we are not enlightened. When we are enlightened, even though it seems still that we still have difficulty or suffering, for us it means not much anymore.
दुःख रहँदैन, बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरिसकेपछि दुःख रहँदैन, जे गरे पनि बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ दुःख कुनै रहँदैन।
And also we find a way to overcome all this suffering.
अनि यस्ता दुःखहरूलाई कसरी विजय प्राप्त गर्ने दुःखहरूमाथि भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ हामीले सिक्न सक्छौं।
You see, to many of us, poverty is a great suffering. But to the Buddha, he forsake everything. He has nothing. And he's always the Buddha. He's always happy and he gives his happiness and love to people.
हामीहरू धेरैलाई गरिबी चाहिँ एउटा दुःखको कारण हो, तर बुद्धलाई त्यो होइन। त्यसैले त्यो बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरिसकेपछि दुःख त्यसै जान्छ।
Please tell me, what is this word Who am I? What must I have to do over this planet? What is death? Where will I jump or vanish after death? I'm quite enthusiastic to know all this.
The answers are within yourselves. All these abstract questions can only be answered with abstract mean. That means when you enlighten, you have your third eye open. You can see all this very clearly, just like I see my palm. Whereas if I give you just a theoretical answers, you will never truly be satisfied.
सैद्धान्तिक जवाबहरू दिएर तपाईँ सन्तुष्ट हुनुहुन्न। तपाईँले तेस्रो आँखा खोल्नुपर्छ र मात्रै यस्ता कुराहरूको व्याख्या हुन सक्छ।
If the poor people want to beg something from you, what would you like to say to them? What kind of information you'd like to give to these poor people who want to beg something from you?
But depends on what they want. If they want a spiritual thing, then I'm happy to serve them spiritually. And to some people who are in need of material help, and I help them whatever I can. And we always do that. Yes. Okay, next one.
Somebody described about the God in different languages, such as in English, Hindi, Nepali, Vietnamese, etc. God speaks which language? May I get your logical answer?
Yeah, God does speak. God does speak. God does speak to us in a God language, which is not like a verbal language, which sounds like melody. And if you are willing, I can show you how to listen to God's language. And the more you listen to this non-verbal, melodious voice, the more enlightened, the more Buddhahood, the nearer you become Buddha, to nearer you are to Buddhahood. That is what I'm here for.
यो शब्दमा व्याख्या गरिने भाषा प्रयोग नगरेर हामीले नन भर्बल अर्थात् अशाब्दिक र भित्रको ज्योतिबाट उत्पन्न हुने भाषा सिक्नुपर्छ, जसले गर्दा बुद्धत्व प्राप्त हुन्छ र बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरिसकेपछि सबै कुराको व्याख्या हुन्छ। यो शब्दमा व्याख्या गर्ने, मानवीय भाषामा व्याख्या गर्ने कुरा होइन।
But when we go inside, sometimes God appears to us and speak to us in our own language as well, physically. That also possible.
यो पनि सम्भव छ, कहिलेकाहीँ भगवान आफै उत्पन्न भएर हाम्रो भित्र ज्योतिमा उत्पन्न हुनुहुन्छ र हाम्रै भाषामा बोलेर व्याख्या गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यो पनि सम्भव छ।
Yes.
I am vegetarian since 3 years. How can I concentrate my mind to take the meditation?
Yes. Let me show you. Let me show you afterward, okay? Go out and tell my people where you are and your name, and we call you later. Yeah?
तपाईको नाम दिनुस्, तपाईँ बाहिर जानुस्, मेरा मान्छेहरूलाई भन्नुस्, म तपाईलाई भेट्छु, पछि भन्छु म तपाईलाई।
Would you kindly explain to us, Master, the interrelationship between yoga and your method of meditation, Kuan Yin?
Yoga is just the name for any kind of reunion. Yoga means reunion. Yeah? So anything that bring you to be reunited with yourself, with God, that is yoga. So in a way, you can call that our method is also a form of yoga.
यो क्विन इन जुन पद्धति छ, यो पनि यसलाई पनि योगा भने हुन्छ, किनभने योगा भन्नु नै ईश्वरसँग मिल्नु हो। त्यो मिल्ने काम नै यो योगा हो र यो पनि एक किसिमको योगा नै हो।
But yoga means truly reunion. So the method must reunite you in order to be called yoga. Doesn't matter what kind.
जुनसुकै पद्धति भए पनि योगले ईश्वरसँग मिलाउँछ भने पुनर्जोड्ने काम हो, फेरि जोड्ने काम हो। त्यसकारण योग भन्नाले नै भगवानसँग चाहिँ साक्षात्कार हुन्छ।
Thank you, Father.
धन्यवाद।
Is there any similarity between your method of Kuan Yin and the Reiki method? If you...
No.
छैन।
The Kuan Yin encompasses Reiki. Ricky is a part of the part of the miraculous power that we have within ourselves already. And Kuan Yin reawakened everything within us, including miracle power. Yeah?
क्वान इन चाहिँ कुनै एउटा अद्भुत चमत्कारिक होइन, मेथड होइन, सिद्धान्त होइन. How to recognize a teacher? There are many teachers, thousands of teachers, but the supreme teacher, who is the supreme teacher? How to recognize the supreme teacher?
It's not easy.
यो सजिलो छैन. गुरुलाई
But if a teacher say that he can show you the light, and he can, then at least he is reliable.
यदि कुनै गुरुले ज्योति देखाउन सक्छ भने त्यो चाहिँ विश्वसनीय हुन्छ.
So if you come and study with the teacher and he can show you the light right away, then he is an enlightened person. If he doesn't have light, how can he give you light? So enlightened means you end light with light. Yes.
यो बुद्धत्व दिन नसक्ने, अन्तर्ज्ञान खुलाउन नसक्ने, ज्योति दिन नसक्ने शिक्षक कसरी शिक्षक? तुरुन्तै नै गुरु कसरी गुरु? त्यस्तो गुरुले तुरुन्तै नै ज्योति दिन सक्छ र ज्योति भनेको नै अन्तर्ज्ञान हो.
And at least if you study with somebody and that teacher don't demand anything from you, don't take money, don't follow you to your house, don't call you every 24 hours, don't ever trouble you, just leave you free. You want to come, you come. If you want to leave, you leave. That you don't lose anything. At least you don't lose any business. You can try.
यस्तो गुरु जसले तपाईबाट केही पनि लिँदैन, केही पनि आशा गर्दैन, तपाई आउनुहुन्छ, आउनुहोस्, आउनुहुन्न, आउनुहोस्, नआउनुहोस्, है तपाईलाई घरिघरि दुःख पनि दिँदैन, त्यस्तो गुरु पो गुरु त.
Yes. Otherwise, you have to be enlightened somehow in order to recognize an enlightened person. It takes one to know one. So you can try, and then you know.
तपाईं अभ्यास गरेर हेर्नुहोस्, ज्योति दिन सक्ने मान्छे, अन्तर्क ज्योति खुलाउन सक्ने मान्छे ऊ नै गुरु हो. र तपाईंमा अन्तर्ज्योति छ भने अन्तर्ज्योति हुने मान्छेलाई चिनिहाल्नुहुन्छ तपाईं.
Besides, every teacher is worth our respect and reverence and gratitude. It just depends on what you want to learn. See, if you want to learn English, you come to an English teacher. And if he say he's an English teacher, at least he must speak English. And the first day he must be able to teach you ABC. Then he is an English teacher, no? And if you want to be enlightened, and a teacher say, okay, I can help you to be enlightened. I remember my enlightenment. I can make you remember. And she can show you that. Then she is also enlightened. This is very easy, no?
अंग्रेजी सिकाउने गुरुले अंग्रेजी सिकाउँछ, एबीसीडी देखि नै सिकाउँछ. त्यस्तै इनलाइटनमेन्ट सिकाउनेले, अन्तर्ज्ञान सिकाउनेले अन्तर्ज्ञान नै सिकाउँछ. गुरुले जे सिकाउँछ त्यो गुरु सबै चाहिँ पूजनीय नै हुन्छन्.
Yes.
Supreme Master, can a hungry person get Buddha's enlightenment?
Can ugly person?
Hungry.
Hungry. Oh. Can. But you must fill your stomach a little bit first, okay? Otherwise you become a hungry Buddha.
तपाई भोको बुद्ध हुनुहुनेछ, नखाइ आउनुभयो भने अलिकति पेट चाहिँ भर्नु पर्ला.
Do you believe in the existence of heaven and hell?
Oh, I do. I have seen them all.
म स्वर्ग र नर्कलाई विश्वास गर्छु. मैले देखेको पनि छु, दुवैलाई देखेको छु.
Master, how can we define God? How can we see God?
Yeah, we can see God. Fine, but we cannot define God.
हामी ईश्वरलाई देख्न सक्छौं, तर हामी परिभाषा गर्न सक्दैनौं ईश्वरको.
We can see God. I will show you how to see God. I tell you to sit there and meditate on God, but you didn't do anything. You just look at me. Okay, later. When it's more quiet, yes.
पछि अलिक शान्ति भएपछि म ईश्वर देखाइदिनेछु.
To be enlightened, is it necessary for us to go and seek peaceful place and meditate there, like you did in the Himalayas, and also like Buddha, like he left home?
Yes and no. Yes and no. Yes. Before the Buddha was enlightened, of course, he has to leave home because he's in a difficult situation. He has 500 wives, and he has 5,000 servants. And we have the parents always take care of him, don't let him go nowhere, don't let him do anything spiritual because I was worried that he left them. So he has to escape.
बुद्धले त्यहाँबाट भागेर हिँड्नु परेको थियो किन भन्दाखेरि वरिपरि धेरै नोकर चाकरहरू अनेकौं उसका श्रीमतीहरू भएको हुनाले त्यो छोडेर जानु पर्यो त्यो उनको चाहिँ स्थिति अर्कै थियो त्यसैले घर छोड्नु पर्यो
Because if he stay in the palace, he could never find a master who could make him remember that he's a Buddha. He has to go out and search for them.
बाहिर गएर उनले यस्तो गुरु खोज्नु पर्यो जसले चाहिँ तिमी बुद्ध हौ भनेर चाहिँ सम्झाओस् त्यसै हुनाले त्यो राजदरबारमा नपाइने हुनाले नै राजदरबार छोडेर बाहिर गए
Yes. But we don't have to leave our home in order to be enlightened.
तर हामीले चाहिँ घर छोड्नु पर्दैन बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गर्नको निम्ति घर छोड्नु पर्दैन
I left home because I wasn't enlightened. And after I'm enlightened, my husband remarried, so I'm finished. No more karma.
मैले घर छोडेँ बुद्धत्व खोज्नको निम्ति र जब म घर फर्केँ मेरा पतिले अर्को बिहे गर्नु हो त्यसकारण म घर जाने ठाउँ पनि भएन
So I just left home so that I can tell you, you don't have to leave home. You can still stay with your husband, your wives, your parents. Do what you do, work your job, earn your honest living, and just meditate in your own home and be a homey Buddha.
तपाईहरु घरमै बसेर चाहिँ बुद्ध हुन सक्नुहुन्छ घरकै बुद्ध हुनुहोस् आफ्नो श्रीमतीसँग आफ्नो श्रीमानसँग बसेर आफ्नो जो व्यवहार चलिआएको छ त्यो चलाएर राम्रोसँग तपाईहरु बुद्ध घरमै बसेर बस्नुहोस् त्यही तपाईहरु घरमा बस्नुहोस् भनेर भन्न नै मैले घर छोडेकी हुँ
If your master is in the Himalaya and he don't come down, then you have to go there and look for him. But if he comes down, he teach you in your home, in your city, you don't have to go nowhere.
यदि तपाईको गुरु चाहिँ हिमालयमा छ भने र यहाँ आउँदैन भने तपाईले त्यहाँ जानै पर्ने हुन्छ तर तपाईको गुरु तपाईकैमा आएको छ भने तपाईले हिमालय गइरहनु पर्दैन
It's dangerous to go to Himalaya. I went there so to bring it home so you don't have to go there.
एकदमै खतरनाक छ हिमालयमा जानु म त्यहाँ गएँ मैले त्यो सबै अनुभव गरेर चाहिँ म यही नै आएको छु म तपाईहरुको घरमा आएको छु
Well, Master, the question is in Nepali. I'll translate that into English later.
Yes.
Manche kina janmancha ra kina marcha? Why people are born and why do they die? And somebody said that in this year of 2000, the whole world will be finished.
Yes.
What would you say about it?
I already said in London before the year 2000 that nothing will happen and I will still be around, and I'm still around. That's what I said. It was in May or something. People ask the same question about year 2000. I said, no problem, don't panic. No problem, and it's no problem. We're still here, no? Thank God.
यो 2000 सन् 2000 मा मे महिना सन् 2000 सुरु हुनुभन्दा अगाडि नै मे महिनामा मलाई लन्डनमा सोधेका थिए मान्छेले यही प्रश्न मैले भने न तपाईहरुले डराइरहनु पर्दैन केही त्रास छैन त्रास गर्नु पर्दैन मैले भनेकी थिए र अहिले म यहाँ आइरहेकी छु र कोही केही पनि भएको छैन र तपाईहरुलाई पनि केही भएको छैन केही पनि हुँदैन डराउनु पर्दैन
Just because of some prediction a few hundred years ago, and people read this prediction and worry about the end of the world. Of course, it might have ended, but because so many people practice spiritually, so many groups, so many prayers, and us, and we spread also our spiritual message every corner of the world, and this spiritual energy helps to neutralize the negative atmosphere of the world in some degree. And so we are okay. And so we invite you to join and to make the world even become a better heaven in the future.
यो यस विश्वलाई अझ राम्रो र स्वर्ग जस्तै बनाउनको निम्ति हामी सबै अध्यात्ममा विश्वास गर्नेहरूले आध्यात्मिक शक्तिलाई एक ठाउँ बनाउनुपर्छ र धेरै नै व्यक्तिहरूले अध्यात्मको चिन्तन गरेर यसलाई चाहिँ यस्ता खराबीहरूलाई हटाइरहेका छन्। हुन त कति व्यक्तिहरूले केही सय वर्ष अगाडि केही भविष्यवाणी गरेका थिए, ती भविष्यवाणीहरू पूर्ण पनि हुने थिए होलान्, तर आध्यात्मिक शक्तिको एकै ठाउँमा सम्मिश्रण भएको हुनाले र एकै ठाउँ योग भएको हुनाले र धेरैले त्यो अध्यात्मको चिन्तन गरेको हुनाले, प्रार्थना गरेको हुनाले यी खतराहरूबाट हामी मुक्त भएका छौँ।
Thank you.
Supreme Master, what will be the exact time for meditation?
Oh, there's no exact time. Anytime you can do. Anytime you can do. But the best time is in the morning when after you quiet rest for the night rest, and it's more peaceful in the morning. But otherwise, after you get used to it, you meditate anytime, anywhere, on the bus, in the airplane, on the field, in the park, no problem.
ध्यान
Anytime.
जहाँ गरे पनि हुन्छ, जुन ठाउँमा गरे पनि हुन्छ, जति बेला गरे पनि हुन्छ, तर राम्रो चाहिँ बिहानै उठेर राम्रोसँग आराम लिइसकिएको हुन्छ सुतेर, अनि उठ्ने बित्तिकै गऱ्यो भने राम्रो हुन्छ। तर ध्यानको लागि कुनै समय छैन, स्थानको पनि कुनै निर्धारण छैन, बसमा गरे पनि हुन्छ, जहाँ गरे पनि हुन्छ।
Master, if I say the Kuan Yin meditation method is not new and had been practiced by Nepalese Hindus from time immemorial.
Yes, that's right. That's correct. I don't teach anything new.
क्यान विन मेथड कुनै नयाँ होइन, मैले कुनै नयाँ कुरा सिकाएकी होइन, यो पहिलेदेखि चलेको थियो। साँचो हो, पहिलेदेखि यो हजारौँ वर्षदेखि चल्दै आएको हो।
Life is nothing, it is just an ocean of sorrow and pain. So it would be better to end our life rather than to continue it. What do you say?
If you want to end your life, fine. Goodbye.
तपाईँ आफ्नो जीवनलाई समाप्त गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने ठिक छ, जानुहोस्, नमस्ते।
It's your life.
यो तपाईँको जीवन हो।
My life is still okay, and I still have job to do, so I still have to hang around for a while.
मेरो जीवनको त मैले के काम गर्नु छ, म अलि दिन बाँच्न चाहन्छु।
But it is better to get enlightenment than to die physically and run away from problem.
समस्याबाट भागेर भौतिक रूपले मर्नुभन्दा बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गर्नु धेरै राम्रो कुरो हो।
If we are enlightened, at least when we die, we become enlightened ghost.
यदि हामी मर्यौँ भने र बुद्धत्व प्राप्त गरेर मर्यौँ भने, मरिसकेपछि हामी भूत भयौँ भने पनि बौद्ध भूत हुन्छौँ।
Okay. Yes, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Is your love same as the love of Christ?
Well, there's only one love. Yeah? It's only one love.
प्रेम भन्ने कुरा एउटै हुन्छ,
That is from God.
त्यो चाहिँ जुन ईश्वरबाट प्राप्त हुन्छ।
And whomever represent God, represent the same love.
जसले चाहिँ ईश्वरको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्छ, उसले प्रेमको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्छ।
We all have this love within us. It's just we want to exercise it more or we want to show it less. You see?
हामी सबैमा प्रेम छ, कोही देखाउन चाहन्छौँ, गर्न चाहन्छौँ, कोही गर्दैनौँ, त्यति मात्रै हो।
What is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? And what is the difference between ocean and wave?
Ocean and wave. Ah, yes. Okay. The difference between knowledge and wisdom is knowledge is what we gain by learning. Wisdom is original. We don't ever have to learn. We never lose it. We just forget it. We can remember it again. Nobody has to teach us. That is the silence transmission when we meditate together at the time of initiation. That is the wisdom you gain when you meditate at home and remembering you are the Buddha. That's a wisdom. And the knowledge is, for example, I'm talking to you now, you ask me a question, I answer, and you gain some understanding about the path. This is a knowledge. But this is not the ultimate. This is not the true thing. The true thing, you have it within yourself.
यो ज्ञान भन्ने कुरो चाहिँ प्राप्त गर्ने कुरो हो। हामीले बात गरेर पनि कुरा गरेर पढेर पनि ज्ञान प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौँ। तर बुद्धि भित्रको कुरो हो। त्यो बुद्धि भन्ने कुरो चाहिँ ध्यान गरेर मात्रै प्राप्त गरिन्छ र ज्ञान भन्ने कुरो क्षणभङ्गुर हुन्छ, चाँडै नै खतम भएर जान सक्छ। तर बुद्धि सधैँ रहने कुरो हो।
Please tell me that which God should we follow? Some are following Buddha, some are following Shiva, some are following Sai Baba, but the one said that the God is only one. What is that?
Oh, God is only one. These are the messengers of God. And they are also God because they were one with God. Yeah? If Buddha was one with God, then he's also God. But part of God, but he has already done his job, you see? So if you want to not follow, but if you want to kind of remember yourself and learn from someone who has already remembered, then you choose which master you feel more affinity with, you feel more trust, you feel that, okay, this one is for me. Yeah? One enough.
ईश्वर एउटै हुन्छ र यी जो छन् यिनीहरू खाली सन्देश ल्याउने सन्देशवाहकहरू हुन् र यिनीहरू आफै पनि ईश्वर हुन्, किनभने ईश्वरत्व उनीहरूमा उत्पन्न भइसकेको हुन्छ। र तपाईलाई जुन व्यक्ति मनपर्छ, जुन ईश्वरको सन्देशवाहक मनपर्छ, उसैलाई तपाईँ फलो गर्नुहोस्।
But find a living one, find the present. Yes, thank you.
अहिलेको बाँचिरहेकोलाई चाहिँ तपाईँ पछ्याउनुहोस्।
Find the present living master, then you can also have a past master as well. So, brothers and sisters, father and mother, Buddhas, good night. If you want to learn something, stay behind. I see you later. I go out and see the people outside for a while, okay? With your permission. Thank you.